Hey, Jimmy. Jimmy,
Yeah.
come over and take a look at this. I thought I had a leaky nipple, but I
Again?
don't think... No, here we go.
I just don't understand how a man lactates. Like, how does that even start?
A lot of it's diet related, and I was on that Atkins thing, and everything got screwed up. And
Not eating carbs makes your nipples leak?
I'm not a physician.
I'm gonna ask you something.
What?
Do you ever put your own nipple milk in your coffee?
Look at what I found up here. Oh, see, there it is. It's brown. I don't think that's part of the car.
Well, this was the car that what? They impounded from Canada, right?
Huh, maybe if I can just
pull it
get...
up.
Oh, wow. Oh, that kicked in.
Hey, you know what we should do? We should get on the casino boat.
You are talking so slowly right now.
Let's go get 2 cartons of cigarettes.
Okay, and a 6-pack of White Claw.
And the Oaks twins.
Oh, the Oaks twins.
I have like 73 things to tell you right now.
Okay, out of here,
Where's the bourbon? Let's get some tequila. Let's get a pack of cigarettes and hold up a liquor store.